Hi guys, Brooke here, and today we're going to be drawing a giraffe with a special surprise. Alright, to get started, we're going to take the top of our paper and fold it down, lining up our corners. Then starting in the middle, we're going to smooth it out. Now let's pick up that top layer. We're going to fold it up, match up our corners, starting in the middle, smooth it out. Go ahead and flip the paper over. Once again, we're going to fold the bottom up, lining up our corners, and smoothing it out. Now go ahead and open her up. Now what you want to do is take the top part and just fold it down. And there we have our starting paper. Go ahead and grab your pencil. Right here we have center. So I'm going to come just to the side of center and I'm going to draw a dot right there. You'll notice it's just a little bit above the fold. From that dot, I'm going to draw a U. It's kind of a wide U. And from there, I'm going to make a diagonal going up and a diagonal going up. So it kind of looks like a V with a curved bottom. Now I want these to go almost to the top, but not quite. So I'm going to go ahead and just extend this out. Same thing over here, I'm going to extend it out, making sure I still have a whole finger space right there. Then I'm going to do a quick turn and bring it straight across to meet up. Now, right over here, starting just inside, I'm going to draw a little curved line going up and over. Same thing on the other side, a curved line going up and over. Next, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming down. Diagonal coming down. Then I'm going to do a little U coming in and a U coming in. Coming from this point right here, I'm just going to draw a little line coming down to connect. A line coming down to connect. And there we have some ears. That's fun. Now right here, just inside the ear, I'm going to draw a little line coming up with a little buddy, another line coming up. Now from line to line, I'm going to make a circle that goes around. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. One little line, two little line, and a circle going around. Now, about halfway down on each side, I'm going to draw a little rainbow coming across. On this side of the rainbow, I'm going to draw a nice big circle. And on this side, I'm going to draw a nice big circle, about the same size. Inside, I'm going to draw another circle using that bottom line. And from that bottom line, another big circle. Now at the top of that second circle, I'm going to draw a little circle and a little circle. Now I'm going to color this part in black. You can do the same or you can do it later. Now right on his nose, I'm just going to draw a nice tall oval and another tall oval. And I'm going to color those in black as well. Then underneath those, I'm just going to give him a small little smile. Now right down here, starting on this side, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and stops right at the fold. Comes down right here and stops. And now we're going to cross over. So I'm going to take it just below the fold, just a little bit. From here on this side, I'm going to draw a line going straight sideways. And on this side, I'm going to draw this line continuing to go straight down just a little ways. Now from here, I'm going to curve, bringing it back. Then I'm going to come straight across. So it's almost as long as that line above it. And then I'm going to curve it up, not quite touching. From here, I'm going to draw a little curved line coming out. That top line I'm going to continue, and it's going to come down and attach. Then right here on the bottom of it, I'm going to draw a heart. Now down here, we're going to draw some legs. So I'm going to draw one line coming down with another line and a third line. And I'm going to connect these with a curved line and a curved line. They're connected. Same thing back here. Bringing a line down right off of the back. Then another line and a third line connected with a U and a U. Now just a little ways up, I'm going to draw a straight line across and straight line across. And there we have our first giraffe, which if you open up, he's missing something. From here, we're just going to extend these down just a little bit. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to go sideways and back. And I'm going to finish right here on this side. So both of them are on that side. And this one's going to follow along. Going this way and this way. And coming back to attach. So now we have a giraffe here. And when we close, we have a giraffe here. Next, we just need to add a few spots. So I'm going to put some giraffe spots. They don't have to be perfectly circle. And if you want to open it up and add Some spots. Going up the neck. Make sure none of your spots are on the fold lines, because that could mess them up. All right, I think he's done. So let's go ahead and start coloring. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There he is. Turned out pretty cute, right? But don't forget, this drawing comes with a special surprise. I hope you had as much fun as I did drawing this adorable giraffe. I can't wait to do another project with you. So I'll see you again soon for another How to Draw. Bye.